I hate to admit it, but I do eat Cheetos on my bed once in a while watching Netflix. But Blue, we don't talk about that, right? No. Hey guys, it's Adelaine Morin and I'm here with Refinery29. But wait one sec, before you guys come in, I'm gonna get comfy. One sec. Oh, I didn't see you there. So much better. Make sure to subscribe down below and come on in. Check out my dream digs. I wanted a little pop of yellow, but I didn't want it to be crazy. So that's kind of how I came up with this design. Also, Pinterest. Pinterest is your best friend when you're decorating your room. When you first walk in, there's my closets. So I have 3 closets. This is my main closet where I keep majority of my clothes. I have like all my clothes here, jeans and everything, socks, underwear, bras, and then shoes right here. All right, so this is my second closet. This is where I keep all my jewelry and like sunglasses. And then you come over here. This is like where I get ready in the morning. I'd be doing my makeup, doing my hair, doing everything right here. Whenever I'm doing a get ready with me, I always have my camera right here and a ring light right here, and it's the best. We have like the little beach pictures in the background, good vibes. And I have all of my skincare, everything that I use on my face, mouthwash, soap, because we gotta wash our hands. I put a little candle on for you guys. I have my flowers over there, and then all of my hair stuff. This straightener, I just got it, is everything. It's a wireless straightener, so you could just do in the car, anywhere, and you just close it, and then it doesn't burn anything in your bag, whatever. This is amazing. Okay, and now this is the bathroom. My squatty potty. This is life-changing. Like, your poops will come out so much easier, promise you. Now moving on over here, this is where I keep like my jackets. This is one of my favorite jackets that I just got recently. It's this race car jacket. Oh, this one's also one of my favorites. It's just like this Tommy Hilfiger jacket I found it at the thrift store. I feel like it's more rewarding when you find something at a thrift store as opposed to like shopping it, because it's like you deserved it and it's rare. Come on here into the main room. Ta-da! Here's my main bedroom. A lot of people think that this is wallpaper back here, but I actually painted it like free-handed, all of the leaves. I think my favorite part of my bedroom is just the colors. The yellow makes me happy, and it's white and nice and clean. I don't have a single real plant in my room because I'm the worst at keeping plants alive. I keep my dog alive, but I can't keep plants alive. I think the quirkiest thing in my room has got to be Blue's bed. Dogs have beds, but Blue's bed is a little extra. She's doing a lot. She's bedazzled, she's pink, she's velour. But I think that's the most quirkiest thing in my room. Over here, this plant is also from Target. I'm pretty sure that this mirror was from Home Goods. I always try and get my mirrors on sale because why are mirrors so expensive? I have no idea. Here's kind of like my reading nook. You have the window and it like shows the boats because we're on the water right now. And then you can just read your book. And it's cool because I also have storage. Here I just have like a lot of crafts, like tie-dye and stuff like that. Here's all of my camera equipment, like lighting, headphones, these little gels, tripods. This is miscellaneous. And then over here is some more crafts and stuff like that. And then just a little basket. Some things that I've done in my room to meet my quarantine needs is I've started doing work on my reading nook because I feel like when I do work in my bed, I mix sleepiness with work and it's not good. So a life hack that I have is kind of like make a study area that's not your bed. If you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, whatever, this is where I take all of my mirror selfies. Literally, all the mirror selfies. And if you guys want a life hack, if you have your lighting coming from one side, that's how you look like you have abs. I'm just telling you. And I don't know if you guys ever thought this as a kid, but growing up, I've always wanted a bookshelf with a ladder, like a sliding ladder. Obviously, we can't do a sliding ladder. We live in an apartment, but I've always wanted to fulfill my Beauty and the Beast dreams. So that's what I did here. I have like my books all up here as if I'm Belle, and my little ladder. I'm climbing up to get my books. And then here I have some miscellaneous things like my speaker. I always have to have my speaker. I'm always having music playing. I feel like everybody has like a miscellaneous drawer. I have a couple of them. And then this is Blue's drawer. in my Girls Supporting Girls music video. This is her little dress that she wore to prom. I think I pretty much showed you my entire room. Thank you so much for checking out my dream digs. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching Refinery29. If you guys want more videos, you could click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which you should click right here.